everybody. Welcome back to our next segment of Just Ask David and our first one for 2022. I hope you're all doing very well. We are going to be starting up again with our weekly segments. Just to give you a quick update on the market still stays a very strong seller's market. Inventory has not really changed. It is still very low, which is causing prices to stay high and multiple offers typically on most properties. And that's the area we wanted to talk about today, is how to make an offer in such a tough buyer's market. You know, it's very tough on the buyers. We're still seeing high prices, as I said, multiple offers going over asking price. So we do have strategies, and we do recommend you work with a good realtor who has experience negotiating, because in a market like this, it's always good if there's an offer date to wait until the offer date. Have the agent you work with, which I feel we're very good at, building a relationship with the listing agent, and wait to see how many offers are coming in. Because based on how many offers they're expecting or have, it's really going to affect your ability to compete. You know, anything over 3 offers, 5 offers, you get up to 7 offers. You might get to the point where you have to make your highest and best offer. And at that point, you should sign all the disclosures, have a loan approval letter, if possible, be already approved, and have your proof of funds, deliver the offer to the seller's agent so it is complete, and it shows that, you know, once the deal's set, it's going to be an easy transaction for everybody. And if possible, remove your inspection contingency if they have inspections, and if your loan is approved, remove your loan contingency. But you know, that of course is risky, so you have to make sure you have a good loan officer who can make sure that if the offer is accepted, that you're going to be able to close that loan. But that is how, in this type of market, you can be competitive. You have to again, make it easy on the seller, easy on the agent. And if they have 10 offers and you know your max price, you might as well go all in.